I just don't need my cheekbones looking strong as an ox, okay? I just don't. Hey guys, Jess here. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are already a part of the family, I'd like to thank you very much. However, for those of you that are not yet a part of the family, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell as well. Today, we will be doing the one dip makeup challenge. So the purpose of this is to use only one dip of each makeup product to do your entire face. What a challenge, huh? I saw James Charles' video first, and then he shouted out Nikkie tutorials, which she started off challenging him. After watching both videos, I said, you know, I'm going to take a stab at this. So without further ado, I will not hold you any longer. We are going to start with primer, and I do have a list out here in front of me. This is LA Girls Pro Prep High. I don't know why I do that, and you guys can't see LA Girls Pro Prep HD. Why I want to say concealer. Primer. I better do a good job. That's it. Once I stop pressing, that's it. I can't do anything else. Glasses off. Know what in the world I thought I was going to do, putting primer on with glasses on. That literally evaporated literally before it even had a chance to touch my face. And now I'm going to do my eyebrows. And while I was trying to figure this out, I said, you know, I'm going to go ahead and use Kiss New York's. It's called Dead Sexy Lashes. Yeah, that part. And so I have an eyebrow hack where I use this angled brush, and I scrape the product off of the mascara wand to do my eyebrows. So I said, you know, the only way I'm going to get away with doing this for the one dip challenge is to use this and a pomade. Darn background sounds. Okay. So, trying to scrape as much as I can. See, I done already one dip. So, get that in now. We can play ball. We'll just take it off the top. Okay, we're going to go to work here. Best we can. So I think what I'm going to do is line out the bottom of my eyebrows. So I'll have something to work with by the time I go over the pomade. Look crazy now. I already look crazy. Eyebrow pomade. So this is Maybelline's Tattoo Studio in black brown. So I gotta scrape around that edge of the pomade once. I'm heavy-handed, and I express that quite a bit. Let us commence. Getting around the edges. And I'm trying not to lift it, or that's going to be my butt. Okay. And I feel like I kind of want to use setting spray to make it go longer, but I use the setting spray at the end. I'm using up my one turn for that. This isn't Monopoly. I appear to have a little ball of it left here, so I'm trying to work with it so it don't fall on the floor and I don't waste it. Trying to use every last gram of it. But it has not left my brush. Okay. be a good sign. I'm going to put these up as I use them. To go back. Team self-control. Foundation for my face. Now this is the part that makes me nervous. Yes, it does. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got some little spillage on the side, and we're gonna use that. We're gonna use that. We're not wasting nothing. That reminds me of another challenge we should probably bottom of the bottle challenge, makeup challenge. Whatever you have at the bottom of the bottle, you must use, not your new stuff. Okay, foundation. We got quite a bit here. Well, at least it looks that way. Let's start working with it. This is Revlon's Colorstay. With this, you can't really tap, because you tap and it absorbs quicker. Even with your beauty blenders like this. It's ridiculous. The beauty blender is just, oh, I'm just gonna just drink all your foundation, you know. And then I'll just have you looking crazy during the challenge. No! You tried it. I'm trying to use what's excess left to try to carve out my brows. So this is from Shop Miss A. This is AOA Studio Liquid Concealer. This is in the color Nutmeg. I don't know why I do that. You guys cannot see them. I will link all the products down below in the comment section and pin it at the top. That's it. That's the only thing I can use. I use just a little bit more than that to carve out my eyebrows. And then I squeeze it again for my face. Bam. Bam. Splack ow. Ow, ow. Here, and booyah. And I don't contour. I just feel like it's a waste of time. But I will do this and add a little dimension to my face. Just a little. Because what I don't need is, why I don't contour, I just don't need my cheekbones looking strong as an ox, okay? I just don't. I'm one of those women, it's just, no, I'm good without it. I'm just trying to make it look like I didn't just splotch all of this concealer at my forehead and like throwing paint at the wall. Blush. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna go for my Pretty All Set from Amazon. I will link that as well. It's basically all-in-one palette minus foundation. This one here. And I have not lifted up from it because of this challenge. We're going to do this and use this as eyeshadow. Yes. And we're going to use this as blush. Alright, let's hope I don't wind up looking like a clown. Touch, touch, touch. I'm going to have to get another brush. I'm afraid of one side being more blushier than the other. Yes, I know that's not a word. Life will go on. Okay, it's not too bad. It just looked a little excessive on this side than the other side. Shop Miss A, AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter in the color Bubbly. Doesn't this look bubbly and lovely? No? Okay. Not lifting my brush. And we still have the highlighter. Down the bridge of the nose. Still got a little bit of it. There we go. And here. Eyeshadow. I thought about doing powder eyeshadow. We're doing cream eyeshadow. Shop Miss A. The Buttercream eyeshadow in the color Rosé. No, shut up. Remind you of somebody, don't it? No? Okay. Now I can only do, I'm going to do this the same way like I did with the brow pomade. In there. And that is my alarm. Excuse me. Lipstick from Lip Bar, and this is called Boss Lady. B-A-W-S-E. Really classic red. Once I pull the dot of this applicator out of the bottle, I can't go back in. You see the redness? Yes. Pray for me. Really? I think I got enough for a noun word that I got too much. Yeah, I think I got too much. And this is a comfortable matte lipstick, not like the others where it just dry your lips out. I'm trying to use all of it I can to fill it in. I can't dip it. I can't dip it. No, you don't need liner with this. Now we go back in here and we put it away. Last, certainly not least, setting spray. I am a heavy-handed gal, so really sorry for me. I can only spray this once. By your head. Hey, I tried to catch all the mist I can catch. No more. Here are my honest thoughts. I don't like it. And this is coming from a heavy-handed user of all my products, not just makeup. But it does remind me that perhaps I could make better use of the product I use. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is my look for the One Dip Makeup Challenge. And until next time and until the next video.